Hey chubbies, welcome to my channel. This is my secondary channel for travel, food and entertainment. I hope my videos can be your travel recommendation. So sit back, grab your popcorn, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. After staying in the Nusa Dua area, we're moving to Kuta area. And in this video, I'm going to stay at the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel, managed by Accor. This hotel is a 4-star hotel that conveniently is located just across Kuta Beach. Unfortunately, we lost the lobby area video, so yeah, without further ado, let's start the room tour. We stayed in Heritage Suite King room type. With 81 square meters, this room feels so spacious. Right beside the front door, there's a closet. It looks kind of old with the blue and cream checkered pattern. There are also low quality slippers provided here. For the suite type room, I guess these slippers are not really appropriate. There's a safe deposit box, a drawer, and a scale. This room has a separated living room and bedroom. It also has a balcony. The living room is quite big. In the corner, there's a coffee machine, sets of teas, 2 bottles of water, teacups, and a can opener. Inside this kind of suitcase-ish table, there's electric water heater, ice cube container, and glasses. Downside, there are 2 empty drawers and a mini fridge. The living room and the bedroom is separated by the sliding door. The working table is quite big, so it's comfy. They also provide 1 set of masks and friends. If you want to work from here, the quality of the Wi-Fi is also quite good. For the bathroom, there's a bathtub. These 2 sinks are very convenient because we don't need to wait too long to use it. The amenities are quite complete. shower room are separated by a glass door, so it's comfortable. King-size bed. And there's also a 42-inch TV. Now let's see the balcony. There are seating areas to chill while watching the sea. Well, it's not an option for me. I'd rather get soaked with the water than only seeing the sea from up here. I like this hotel a lot since I can easily play in the beach. The room is also nice, but I guess the cleanliness can be improved since there are lots of dust in the room. Ta-da! We're at the Kuta Beach now. To go downstairs and cross the street. And yes, I can play at the beach. Well, that's all for this video. It's getting near to the end of my Bali 2022 tour, so keep watching my channel and stay safe and healthy. Bye!